Is it audible, madam?
Yes, sir, it is audible, sir.
Okay. रागादिरोगान् चोत्थान शक्तान शेषकाय प्रधान शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहार्दिताञ्जगान यपूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै. As yesterday we have come across the karma because of the karma anubanti, how it leads to the Visishtata in a Daiva Yukta karma, Purushakara Yukta, how the both are helpful for the karma janya vadis. Especially this concept is helpful for the wherever the karma janya vadis are there now. Alpahetur Ugra Rupaha. There it will be helpful for the identifying and make the Vipasha Chikitsa or maybe the Karma Kshayakara Chikitsa. Moving to the next one. So for that one, Tasmad Ubhaya Drishtatvad Ekanta Granam Asadu. Ubhaya Drishta Daiva Karma Yukta, Purusha Karma Yukta, Niyata and Aniyata. Both. Tasmad Ubhaya Drishtatvad Ekanta Granam Asadu. Sadhu means it's good. Asadu means considering only one is not a good one. Consider both. Daivayukta karma niyata, aniyata, purusha or samanya. Those are the essential one. Nidarshanamapi cha atra udaharishyamaha. So even there is an examples also is there. Nidarshana will be there. Nidarshanam api cha atra udaharishyamaha. So now I am going to elaborate with the udaharanartha. यदि हि नियतकालप्रमाणम् आयुः सर्वस्यात् in case नियतकालप्रमाणम् आयुः सर्वं स्यात् all the people having नियतकालयुक्तप्रमाण आयुः तदा आयुष्काममानां न मंत्रौषधि मणिमंगल उपहार होम नियम प्रायश्चित्त उपवास स्वस्ति अयन प्रणिपातगमनाद्याः क्रिया इष्टयाः च प्रयोज्येरन्. So when all the people are having the same Niyatakala means, so why it is needed one? Then some questions, na? Tada Ayushkamanam na mantra na means should not need this one. As per the Agnivesha himself is making some clarifications, raising the questions. There are questions like if we are not having the Daiva Karma Yukta or maybe Purusha Karma Yukta, Daiva or Purushakara, Bala, if you are not considering, only one Bala is there means. So why should consider then? Definitely there should be all are having the Niyata Pramana Ayu only. When all are having the Niyata Pramana Ayu means there is no essentiality of the Ayushkami Adhyaya also. Ayushkamanam, there is no need of the Ayushkama also. Even there is no need of the mantra Ushadhi Mani Bangala Pallupahara Homa Niyama Prayaschitta Upavasa Swastena Pranipata Gamanadi Kriya Ishtayascha Prayojjeran. These are no, they are not needed one. But still Na Udbhranta Chanda Chapala Gojostra Khara Gojostra Khara Turaga Mahishadiyaha Pavanadayascha Dushtaryaha Syuhu. Now Chanda Chapala Gojostra Khara. Another animals will be there. When they are getting the Udbhranta Pavanadayaha Dushtaha Pariharyaha Syuhu. For them only we need this one now. While telling the Ayushkamanam, he also mentioned the Mantroshri Mangala also. If it is there, means there is a Daiva Bala is there. So Daiva Bala is separate. All author is want to tell that a Daiva Bala is there. For that one, he is giving a proof. Udaharishyamaha. While telling the Ayushkamanam, Mantraushadhi, Manimangala, etc. are also told it. It is not told for the Niyata Kalama, Niyata Pramanita Ayuho. Where there is a Aniyata is there, there only he told it. So sometime also Dushtaha, Chanda Chapala Go Ostra Karaturga, Ubhranta is also there. There also Pariharyaha Syuhu, there also it's needed one. Na Prapata Giri Vishama Durghambu Vegaha. Sometime Prapata Giri Vishama Durghambu Vegaha. There also should not get affected with the Ayuna. Tatha, similarly, Na Pramatta, Unmatta, Udbhranta, Chanda, Chapala, Moha, Lobhakula, Matayaha. Even should not have these are the conditions also. Na asyaha, even not for these also. Narasya, naryaha, naryaha, na pravruddho agni, agni get pravruddham, cha vividha vishashayaha sarisrupa uragadiyaha. They also vishayukta ashayukta sarisrupa uragadiyaha. Na sahasam, they should not be have the na sahasam. It means they're telling about the related with the, if you want to get the Netakala Pramana of the arguments, these should be followed one. And the second meaning of this one is that definitely Daiva Yukta Bala is also there. For that also they told it's some Chikitsa. Paurushakara Bala Yukta is there. For that also they told some Chikitsa. To mitigate the Aniyata Pramana of the Ayu, to get the Netakala Pramana Ayu, these are the methodology. Like a mantra, Ushadi Mani Mangala Upahara, etc. They told it's for that one also. Bhranta Chanda Chapala Gosta Karaturava, Daya Pavanadeshta Dushtaha Pariharya should not affect from there also. Na Prapata Giri Vishama Durkhambu Vegaha, they should not go it and affect it. And Tata Pramatta Unmatta Chanda Chandala Chapala Moha Moha Loba Kulamatayaha Narayaha Na Pravruddha Agni Vruddha Agni Pravruddha Agni should not be there also. Na cha vividha vishashayaha sarisrupa uragadiyaha there also. Na sahasam should not make the sahas also. Na nadesha kalacharyaha adesha akalacharya should not do it. And na narendra prakopa iti should not make the narendra prakopa. Narendra prakopa here in the sense king, who are the ruler, who are the superior for us while doing the work also, in the home also, maybe in a working place also. Evam adayo hi bhava na bhavakaraha syuhu. It should not make these bhavas. Evam adayo hi bhava na abhavakaraha syuhu. These should not make into the abhava. These should be not present. Na sahasa should be there. Sahasa should not be there. Na sahasa bhava abhavakaraha syuhu na. Should not make into the sahasa. That means Ayushaha Sarvasya Netakala Pramanatvat, because Ayushaha Sarvasya, for all the people will be getting the Netakala Pramana only. Neta means not exactly the 100 one. According to their karma, their ayu, it's a Neta. That one. Nacha anabhyastha kala marana bhaya nivarakanam akala marana bhayam agachet praninam. See, na cha anabhyastakala marana bhaya nivara karanam akala marana bhayam agachet praninam. This is only told that for the akala marana bhaya, to mitigate, to reduce the akala marana bhaya. For that one he told it this one. Vartascha aramba.
So other things are told in the Rasanata. Vartaha cha arambakatha prayoga uttavaha. How to proceed in that etc. are told in the Rasayana Adhikara Siva Bhatsihi. Na api indro niyatavisham shaktum prajena. If suppose the person is given niyatavisham means even the api indro indra so niyatam avisham shaktum prajena abhihanyata. It's not able to reduce by the given indra. So that one meaning. Now api indro niyatavisham shaktum prajena abhihanyata. Even maybe the shaktu you can't able to do that Rajena Abhimyata. Vajrena Abhimyata. With help of the Vajra, even you can't make that. That variety things will be happening. When the Niyataisha is there, whichever thoughts are told in the Rasayana, if you are followed means Na Ashwina Vartam Vesajena Upadayeta. Na Ashwina Vartam Veshajena Upanta. Even there is a essentiality of the Veshaja by the Ashwina. The Ashwina Vartam. The Maharshayo Yatheshtam Ayuho Tapasa Prapniyoho. Even there is a Maharshayo Yatheshtam Ayuho Tapasa Prapniyaha. How much of the Ayu they are getting from the Tapasa, that also not equal. Nacha Vidita Veditavya Maharshayaha Sasureshaha Samyak Pashyeyuhu Upadishyeyuhu Acharyeyuha. Even they are telling about the Vedita by the Maharshi Sasureshaha Pashyeyuhu. Even he looked at it, even he told it, all those one also. Apicha Sarva Chakshusham Etat Param Yad Indram Chakshuhu. Even it is a superior part of the Indra also. Apicha Sarva Chakshusham. Among the all the Chakshusham, Sarva Chakshusham Etat Param. This is the Paraman. Yad Indram Chakshuhu. Indra Chakshuhu is Shrestha, like that one. Idam cha api asmakam tena pratyaksham. But it is will be understood and pursued with the help of the pratyaksha also. Itha, like Purusha Sahasranam Utthayottaya Avaham Kurvatam Akurvatam Cha Aturyad Yushtam Tatha Jatamatranam Pratikaraascha, etc. Purusha Sahasranam Utthayottaya Utthahavam. Purusha Sahasranam Utthana. Utthana Avuttaya. Kurvatam Akurvatam. Whether they are doing it or doing it. Aturva or Jushtayukta. Tatha Jatamatranam Pratikara. By birth only, if they are getting the Pratikara or Apratikara. Visha Vishikashyanam. Sometimes Visha or Vishikashayukta. Chapi Tulya Jushtameva. Other will be Tulya Yukta or Jushtayukta. Nacha Tulya Yogakshema Udapana Ghatanam Chitra Ghatanam. Sometimes Nacha Tulya Yogakshema. There is no any Yogakshema. Equivalent like Udapana from the Ghatanam, Chitra Ghatanam, Utsidatam. Either given from the Chitra Ghata or given Udapana Ghata. Tasmaditha Upachara Moola Jivitam. So that's why Upachara is a mode of our Jivitam. Atho Vipariyam Mrityu. So otherwise it will get to the Mrityu. Simple what the author is going to tell. Generally, these are the factors. If you have followed answer, you will be continuing with the Antayu, otherwise you will get the Kalamana. If you are following the all those thoughts which are present in the Rasayana Karana, if you are following it is equivalent, it's more than that one, when it's not mitigated by the others like Indra, Maharshi, Tapasa, etc. No. Not into Yavakshema Upadhatma. It's not equivalent like Udakapana, like in the Ghata also Chitrapata. Both of them not the same one, it's a different one. Choksidham. Tasmadhi Hita Tasmadhi Upachara Moolam Jivatam. That's why Upachara Moola is accepted. Jivatam is the Upachara. If you want to make the Jivatam, Upachara is essential. But here Upachara, it's nothing but protection of the ayuds. Atho Vipariyaha. If it is Vipariya, means it leads to the Varna. Vipariyaha Mrityu. Apicha Deshakalan Api Cha Deshakalan Atma Guna Viparitanam Karmanam Ahadavitanam Cha Karmapayogaha Samyak. So that's why if you want to not to get Mrityu, for that one, Apicha Deshakalan Atma Viparitanam Karmanam Ahadavitanam So, Brahmopayoga, or that one of Tasma, Dipo, Itopachara, Jivitam. Itopachara is essential. Which are those Itopachara? They are nothing but Deshikala Puna Viparita. Desha Viparita Karma, Ahara, Vikaranam, Kamayoga, Kala Viparita, Karmanam, Ahara, Vikaranam, Chakamayoga. Atma Guna Viparitanam Karmanam Aharvika Vikanam Chakamayoga. That way. ವಿಪರೀತ ಅಂತ ದೇಶಕಾಲನ ಆತ್ಮಗುಣ ಈ ಆತ್ಮಗುಣ ಸ್ವಶರೀರ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮ್ಯಕ್ಕೇನ ನಮಯುಪಯೋಗರು ತ್ಯಾಗ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಚ ಅತಿ ಯೋಗ ಯೋಗ ಮಿಥ್ಯಾ ಯೋಗನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ there should be a ತ್ಯಾಗ ಸರ್ವಸ್ಯ all either ಮೇಲಿನ ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆಹಾರ ವಿಹಾರ whatever it is ಸರ್ವಸ್ಯ ಚ ಅತಿ ಯೋಗ ಅಯೋಗ ಮಿಥ್ಯಾ ಯೋಗ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಸರ್ವಾತಿ ಯೋಗ ಸಂಧಾರಣಂ ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಧಾರಣ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವ ಅತಿ ಯೋಗ ಸಂಧಾರಣ सर्वातियोग संधारण सर्व अतियोग should not be with dharma also असंधारण पुदिय dharma also between times पुदिय असंधारण where there is a संधारण is there it should be with सर्वातियोग where there is a धारणीय is there they should not be with the पुदिय असंधारण that is not धारणीय पुदिय should not be with make the forceful expulsion of the objects that should not be made it गतिविधान साहसानां च वर्तनं should not make the sahasa and आरोग्य अनुक्तौ हेतुं उपलाभं आहे आरोग्य अनुक्ति the पूर्ण for the आरोग्य कारक हेतु अनुक्ति the should be has to follow it सम्यक् उपदिशामः सम्यक् पश्यामः च इति not to follow those हेतु of the आरोग्य अनुक्ति in this shloka you want to explain that about the how the person is getting the akala mukti what are the positive factors are there and how to getting those one with what are the factors he told us when saying the commentary of the chapter अतः परमुत्तरम् उपसंहरति तस्मात् इत्यादि अतः परम उत्तरम उपसंहरति superior one getting the upaharati explain to that we start with tasma ityari ubhaya drishtvaaditi daivasya purushakarena ubhaya means what those ubhaya is nothing but a daivasya purushakarena those are the ubhaya drishta तथा पुरुषकारस्य दैवेन भाद दर्शनात् sometimes पुरुषकारस्य दैवेन भाद दर्शनात् sometimes purushakara will be getting the daiva bhada that won't be get the darshana it won't be get the darshana bhada darshanat so there it will be helpful to make the follow up all the subdrutas all the rasayana of the ayu paripalana ekanta grahana vidhi netam eva ayuriti tata anetam eva ayuru sakam vidhi ityartha ekanta grahana means not considering any of the one only not the both that is called as ekanta granati or make the conclusion that niyatam ayu is separate or niyatam ayu is separate that will be considered as ekanta grana ni drishyate abhimatah pakshah satyate anena iti nidarshanam yukti riktyaktah ni drishyate abhimatah means it's a paksha ni drishyate abhimatah pakshah satyate anena iti nidarshanam one is what is used there is nothing but Nidashyate abhimatah. Whatever things are there, it will be abhimata. It is expressing truth as it is with my opinion. That is called as nidarshana. Similarity that Kumanakta, that is also Uttarikarta. But nidarshana is something but Utti here also. If taking an example, correlating with the present situation, is explaining that here Utti will be there. That is also nidarshana. Nidashyate abhimata pakshaha. What I want to explain with help of the examples. So in this process, that called as yukti. That is yukti only. Atra iti anaikantika paksha. Atra where the word is used, it is anaikanta. It's not ekanta, anaikanta. So many pakshas will be there. So many opinions will be there. Yad ityadina prakaranena ayuho janakasya drashtasya hetoho. So many factors are there. हेतोः दृष्टाः आयुर्जनकस्य आयुर्जनक हेतु विद्यते सेवा तथा आयुर्विघातकरस्य हेतोः असेवा that always आयुर्जनकस्य which are enhancing the ayu those should be get followed the factors which are making the आयुर्विघातकरण those should not be make the sevana that is हेतोः असेवना असेवा That's why nakara is Krishna. Above the jala comes in there only. Like here. Na sarasam na desha kalarchaha na narendra kopniti etc. It should not be like it. Otherwise, it's leads to the ayu hane. So these one. So those are told it's na seva. ये तो है असeva.
Sorry for the
सर्व
interruption, sir.
प्रमाण
Sir, voice is breaking, sir.
Madam. Now, is it hearing, madam?
Yes, sir, it is clear, sir, now.
Yeah, okay. Hetura seva. Whichever the hetus are there, na ayu vigatakara, they should not be make the sevana. Sarva pramanika jana avivada siddha darshayate. So all the pramanas will be taken to the consideration. They told it's two concepts. Ayu vigatakara hetoho na seva. Ayuhu janakasya drishtasya hetoho seva. In this way. Sacha, those are the sa, that one. Sacha sarva yadi netamayuhu sat tada akinchitkari sat. Sometimes sa sarva pramanika jana avivada siddha siddha sacha sarva yadi netamayuhu sat. If it is applicable for the netayu, then tada akinchitkari sat. Only it is a considerable form only, less considerable form only. Aniyatocha ayushi kinchit kari sat. If it is aniyata ayushi means kinchit kari sat. Suppose person is having the niyatayu, but he is not making the ayu vardaka or ayu ruddhikara hetu palana means it may lead to the aniyata ayushi kinchit kari. Converting towards the aniyata ayushi kinchit, little bit it will get turned into the aniyata. Similarly, opposite in the netayu, the aniyata also. Tasmad aniyatam api ayuhu bhavati iti bhavaha. So that's why sometime even there is a netayu is there also. If he not following the ayu vardhana hetoho, definitely there is a little bit turning towards the aniyata ayu may get the bhavayukta. Nacha sarvatra eva adrushtam eva karanam. So every time it won't be like a adrushta karana. Nowadays they're telling na luck. It won't be a luck. Nacha sarvatra eva adrushta. Adrushta means visible. Adrushta means not visible. It's a luck only. Adrushtam eva. Every time it's not that adrushta karanam. Drishtam kinchit karam eva iti. Everything will be there in the drishta. Sometimes it's a little bit. Vadate drishtasyapi trivrata eva virekadi kartrutvam vyaktameva. See. So when we are using the Trivrata while doing in a Virechana karma, whether this much is doing that one, it is a confusion. Like Trivrata, this medicine is doing in a Virechana karma. How we are doing it? It's not in the Vyakta in that medicine. So after usage only, na. Drashtasyapi Trivratadehe Virekadi Kartrutvam Vyaktameva. By in the medicines it is not visible, but after usage it will be visible. In that way. Adrushtasyevato karanatvam drashte karya anupapattehe kalpaniyam. This one is drishta means by using the Trivrata we are getting the Virechana. This is the drishta. It is visible. Vyaktameva. Adrushta means there is no any karana. Adrushtasyeva tu karanatvam. Adrushtasya tu karanam. Drishta karya anupapattehe. Drishte karya anupattehe. Drishta karya anupatti. Adrushta is there. Drushtakara is not there in that way. That means adrushtasya eva tu nischayena karanatvam, where drushte karya anupattehe. Uppapatya means having. Anupatya means not anupatya, anupatya. Drushte karyanupatya. Only it is available after the drushtakara. In simple, in Trivrutti is visible. Virechana is also Vyakta karma. But here Adrushta is not visible, but only visible it's a Karya, Drishta Karya. Only after Utpatti of the Karya only it can be perceivable. That is called Adrushta. Now, either like this one, you have to make the Kalpaniyam. Tena Adrushtasya Karanatvam Drishta Karana Moolamityartha. So that Adrushta Karana is there. Tena Adrushtasya Karanatvam. By this one, Drishte Karyanupattehe, by this one, Adrushtasya Karanatvam Drishtakarana Moolamityartha. That is Drishta only. Not the directly, indirectly by observing the Drishtakarya Utpattina, there only you can make the assess of the Drishtakarana Moola. By observing the effect only you can make the this is a cause of the because of the Adrushta only. Nacha Drishtakarana Uchchedaha, but it is not with the Drishtakarana, it's only with the Adrushtakarana only. Kalpaitum api, even it's a considerable understanding in this way, Paryate, it will be helpful. It will be Paryate means it is applicable, it's an holds good. Ishtayaha yajnaha. Here Ishtayaha means yajna only. Atyartha sarpana shila uragaha sarisrupa uragaha. What the word is used? Sarisrupa uragaha. Sarisrupa means it's Atyartha sarpana shila srupa. In that way, uragaha. Those variety of the sarisrupa. Acharye yurva bheshaja. Acharye yurva word is it's for the bheshajiti shesha. Acharye yurva bheshajam. It should become that shesha word. Chakshusham parama iti atyartha bhrantatvena. Chakshusham param iti. In chakshusha atyartha bhranta. Now again there is a chakshusha saumya krodha yukta shokha yukta. Atyartha bhranta yukta. That is not good one. Atulyayuhu dushtvam iti ye avaham kurvate te shastrena mriyante. See, sometime atulyayushtvam iti. Atulyayuhu iti, when it is told, na avaham kurvate te shastrena mriyante. Definitely they will be atulyatayu is there means definitely they will be getting the marana by the shastrena. Eto na kurvate te shastrena na prayo mriyante. If it is atulyayu dushtvam pina, it is not happening means definitely they won't getting the marana by the shastrena. Na prayo mriyante shastrena. Pratikarat apratikarat cha atulyat dushtvam-iti yojana. Pratikarat apratikara, two will be there. Tulyayo dushtvam-iti. Pratikara tulna apratikara dushtva. These are the two yojana should be make it for those considering formation of the sentence. Pratikara tulya apratikara means dushtva. In this way you have to make the yojana. Nacha tulya ityado tri ghato yaha vichit nacha tulya ityado, where the word is used na tulya. Nacha tulya ityado. Ityado nacha tulya. Tulya ityado word is used na there. Chitra ghato yat chitritam iva stapyate. Chitra ghata is there nothing but it's a plain ghata will be there. Over that one they made the chitra. It is chitra ghata. Sahi paniya vahanadi pratyavaya hetva bhav chiram tishtati. For carrying and keeping the words, it will be getting the holding itself. Udapana ghatastu jalasambandha tata vahana samaye patanadina cha shrigram utsidati. See, they are comparing two ghatas. Chitra ghata Udapana Ghata. Chitragata, usually it will be Chitrita Ghata will be holding the water. Udapana Ghata is not holding the jala. Patanadi, Vahana Samaya. While carrying, it will be get the fallen one. Udapana Ghataha to Jala Sambandha Tata Vahana Samaya Pavanadinacha Shrigam Utsidati. It is correlated with the water, how it will be spelling also, how the pot will be getting the instructions depending on its quality. In that way, they're telling it's Hitopachara Moolamiti, Hitopachara Moolamapi. Kramopayogaha Samyak iti Yojana. So Kramopayoga is nothing but Samyak iti Yojana. Sarvati Yoga Sandharanam, Sarva Ati Yoganam Varchanam. So make it here clarification related to this one, like Nacha Tulyam Ityado Chitragato Yaha Chitrita iva stapyate. Like Chitrita iva stapyate na, that one. Chitragata, that is one. Sahi paniya vahanadi pratyaya vaya hetva bhava achiram tishtati. Without using, and that one it will be retained for the longer period. Udapana gatatu, like a real water will be there now, water pot. That jala sambandha tata vahana samaya patanadina shigra utsidati. By doing it's a regular work like taking in water, carrying, moving there and here, definitely will get a destructor. Shigram Utsidati in this way. They are taking it. The given correlation also Mana Pramana. And that correlated with the IU only. IU, how it is kept, it will be as it is. If you are using much more, it will be leads to the destructions. Ataha param agdimesha vacha ivam satyamyata kala pramana ayushaha bhagavan katam kala mrityu rakala mrityu va bhavati iti. So ataha param ataha atnantare ataha param agdimesha vacha. After this one, the agdimesha will be asked for that one. Evam satyamyata kala pramana ayusha bhagavan. So this is the satyamyata kala pramana ayushaha. I want to more one that Katam kala mrityu rakala mrityu va bhavati. How it will be happening that kala mrityu akala mrityu. Now the concept will be started with the ayu, with the kala mrityu and akala mrityu. Neta ayu, aneta ayu we told now. Now it converting towards the shifting towards the concept, the mrityu concept. For that one he explaining the commentator like a Chakrapani, evam sat ityadi. So evam sat means existing. Bhavayukta. Yat यत्तावत् कालनियतं तस्या काले मरणभावात् एव न अकालमृत्युरस्ति. See, यत् तावत् कालनियतं तस्य अकाले मरण अभावात् एव न अकालमृत्युरस्ति. Kalamrityu means what actually? Kala means niyata. Akale he won't get marana bhava, that is called as a kalamrityu. Yatvu akala niyatam. When it is akala niyata is there, tasya api aniyatatvat. There is no any definite one. Katam kala mrityur akala mrityur va bhavati. There will be any questions. Questions arise where it is akala mrityu is there, whether the ayu aniyata or aniyata. Niyata is there for him whether it is kala mrityu or akala mrityu. Aniyata is there for him whether it is a kala mrityu or akala mrityu. Which one will be going to happen? That itself is a question. Aniyato hi ayushi kala niyamo na asti. When there is aniyata is there, definitely for him there is no any kala niyamo na asti. Kala niyama is won't be there for the aniyata ayushi. Niyata kalat cha चार्वाक अकाल मृत्यु उच्चत इति पृच्छार्थः. नियत कालात् चार्वाक अकाल मृत्यु उच्चत. Niyat kala in there, niyat kalat, because of the niyat kala, akala mrityu will come. This is like a charvaka vakita. Pruchartaha. Like his answer like a charvaka. That means Niyatakala is there definitely for them. Akala Mrityus won't be there for the Niyatakala, definitely. That means Continuation to the next one. Tamuvacha Bhagavan Atreya. After the listening the word from the Agnivesh, what he has in a doubt arises now. Whether the Katam Kala Mrityu Akala Mrityu va bhavati, for this one he will be going to give an answer. Tamuvacha Bhagavan Atreya. Shriyatam Agnivesha. Listen the Agnivesha. Yatha Yan Asa Yan Asama Yan Asa यानस मायुः उक्तो अक्षः प्रकृतेर्वाक्ष गुणैरुपे उपदिताः स च सर्वगुणोपपन्नो वाह्यमानो यथा कालं स्वप्रमाण क्षयात् एव अवसानं गच्छेत. First one question what here is na kala mrityu akala mrityurva bhavati. In here first telling about the kala mrityu. So this is a question. As per the question series, same he will be going to elaborate it in the answers only. Like yatha, how, yatha, yana samayukto akshaha, aksha, yana samayukta aksha, aksha means a vehicle with having the wheels. That one. Prakrutaiva aksha gunairupetaha, prakrutehi. As per the need to maintain the vehicles, according to that one, prakriti rupena Akshagunair upetaha, according to his axles, according to his wheels, according to the body structure, such as sarva gunopapanno. When it is used with all the quality, rules and regulations, sarva gunopapanno vahyamano. Following all the things, if you are maintaining, you are flowing, you are going with that vehicles, na yatha kalam swapramana kshayat eva avasanam gaccheta. That means if you are vahyamano, if you are maintaining, you are running that vehicles with aksha as per the prakriti, as per the rules and regulations for the vehicle running, na, all the quality, all the rules and regulations if you are following, definitely yatha kalam swapramana kshaya. According to the time period, it will be getting kshayas in avasana gaccheta. It will be converting into the nasha. Nasha in the sense dead stock, like taking an example, like a vehicle is there. I purchased a vehicle. If I followed all the rules and regulations when to do the service, etc. Now, new purchasing vehicle is in birth. If I running that vehicles daily, if I use all the fuels, that is ahara, vihara, etc. If I running that one properly, if I use all the services like Chikitsa, Swasthruta Palana, etc. It will maintain for the longer period. Longer the period, they are given the lifespan for on each vehicle. Till the 10 year or 15 year, it will be having good capacity run if you have followed all the rules and regulations in that way. After that one, it will be there, but still it will be reducing its quality. Avasanam gaccheta. It will be going too near the avasana. That is called as yatha kala. It is that called as kala mrityu. तथा आयुः शरीरोपगतं बलवत् प्रकृत्या यथावत् उपचर्यमाणं स्वप्रमाणक्षयात् एव अवसानं गच्छति स्वमृत्युः काले काले मृत्युः. Similarly, our आयु is there शरीरोपगतं. Shinna sharira upagata balavat prakritya, as per requirement of the prakriti yathavat upacharyamanam. According to our sharira, if you are doing in a upachara swapramana kshayat eva, it will be reduced at according to the age, lastly it will get the avasanam gacchati. At avasana, lastly is nothing called nothing is, it is called as kala mrityu only. Mrityu kale kale mrityu sagacchati. Yata sacha eva aksho ati bhara adhishtitatvat vishamapadhat apadhat aksha chakra bhangatva vahyavahaka doshat ani mokshat anupangat paryasanat cha antara avasanam apaddhate. See, the same vehicle yana samayukto akshaha eva aksho ati bhara yukta adhishtatatvat. Ati bhara adhisthana, holding and carrying much more weight, more than the limitations. Adhishtitatvat vishama pathat apathat aksha chakra bhangadva. Sometimes Vishmapatha is not good for the roads or interior street or not having the roads. If you are running in that, that called Vishama Patha and Patha Apathat. Wherever it told not to be need to go there, na. It is not indicated to make the run of the vehicles in such a way of the roads. There also if it did means that is Apatha. Aksha Chakra Bhangadva. Sometime it will be happening. Aksha Chakra Bhanga. Bhanga means there is a fractures will be there. There will falling of the chakras will be there. They are getting the repairs, etc. That is Aksha Chakra Bhanga. Vaiyavaka dosha. For that there is a Vaiyavaka dosha. Vaihya dosha will be there. Vaka dosha will be there both. Vaka means who are running. Vaihya means for Sharira. Vaiyavaka doshad. Animokshad. Because of the mokshat. Vaiyavaka doshad Animokshat Anupangat. Upanga means subordinate. Anupanga means there is a lacunas will be there. Paryasanat. Before to get it's a good age, na in between only it will be getting the Antara Avasanam Aptati. Paryasanat. Before to reach its original time period, na it will get destructions. Tata Ayuhu api Yatha Balamarabhya यथा बलमारम आरंभाद यथा अग्न्यव्यवहारणाद विषम अव्यवहारणाद विषम शरीरन्यासाद अतिमैथुनात् असत संशयाद उदीन वेग निग्रहाद विधार्य वेगा विधारणाद भूत विदारणाद उभत विधारणात् उभत विष वायवग्नि उपतापात् अभिघातात् आहार प्रतीकार विवर्जनात् च अंतरा अवसानम आपद्यते. Similarly our sharirana. So when you are not making the yatha balam arabhyate, while telling the vyayam also, that telling this one, same word is there, yatha balam arabhyate, that one. And how much of Agni is there? Beyond of that one or less that one, if you are getting the Abhyavaharana, Ahara Vishmakarana, and Vishma Abhyasa, Vishma Abhyavaharana, or Vishama Shariranyasa, improper body structures are there, Ati Maitana Karma, or Asamshaya Dudeta, sometimes Asat, like whichever not is good, but that are following that also, or Udina Vega, Vega Udina, or Vega Adharana, Dharaniya Vega Udirana. Dharaniya Vega, Adharana, Adharaniya Vega, Udirana, both. Because of that one, Visha, Vayu, Agni, Patapa, Dabhihatat, etc. Daha, Pratikara. If you are not doing a Pratikara for these external factors, then also the Sharira, Ayu, will be getting the Antara, Avasanam, Apaddhati. That is nothing but Mrityu. Kale, Akale, Mrityu, Apaddhati. Tata, Jaradin, Api, Atankan, even though there is a disease condition out there, na Jaradin api Atankan Mityopacharitan Akala Mrityun Paschama iti. Sometimes the disease condition also, if you are not making the proper treatment, na there also Akala Mrityu is happening. That also one of the causes there. So here author is told about the Kala Mrityu and Akala Mrityu. When we are seeing the commentator view, na यथा कालमिति यावत् कालेन प्रत्यवाय शून्यस्य अक्षस्य क्षयो भवति तस्मिन्नेव इत्यर्थः. यथा काल means how much of the time period they given for its life, that is going to complete it. That is called as avasana. So pramana kshayat eva iti. That means that swapramana eva. Yuganurupa varshashakati pramana kshayat ityartham. Here swapramana for the present it's in Kali-yuga shata samvatsara varsha is there. Apataditi sarvata amargana. Amarga gavanat. Where there is not indicated roads are there, if you are going there means that is called as apatha. Animokshadni means kila mokshat. Here animoksha means for the vehicle. Animoksha means wheels, that bearings will be there. There is holders will be there. The kila, they are getting the joints will be there. They will be getting the moksha. Anupangadini means snehadhanat. Anupangaditi. If you are not making the snigdhata for the vehicle also, it won't work properly. It will be getting destructions early before reaching its maturation. So, Paryasanat means parikshayapat. Paryasanat means parikshayapat. Mityopacharitan iti asamyak kinchit chikitsatan. Mityopachara means sometimes it's not treating or making the bad treating also. Akala mrityoniti akala mrityu karanat. Akala mrityoni means it's doing an akala mrityu. That way they told it so. Next continuations of the shloka for the Agnivesha. He is asking again once again the questions. Atha Agnivesha papracha. He asked the question. Kinno khalo bhagavan? In the Sachiva he is asking the question. Kinno khalo bhagavan? Which one is the right one? Jvaritebhyaha paniyamushnam prayachanti vishyo bhuishtam na tata shitam. See, sometimes Jvaritebhyaha paniyamushnam. See, in Jara, when the person is suffered with Jara, Jvaritebhyaha paniyam ushnam prayachanti. Ushnam paniyam prayachanti Jvaritebhyaha. That means you are indicated to take the Ushna Jalayukta paniya for the Jara. It is bhuishtam. Na tata shitam. But Jara is comes with the Ushna Yukta na. Why you are not making the Shita Kriya, Shita Pratikara? Na tata shitam. अस्ति च शीतसाध्यो अपि धातुर्ज्वरकर इति अस्ति च even though it's a शीतसाध्यो अपि धातुर्ज्वरकर iti. Why you are giving a paniyam ushnam prayachanti? This is a question asked by the Bhagavan Agnivesha. Samprati mityopachara ashrutya ushnatoyam jare api agne'e mityopacharaha स्यात् इति अशंक्या आह किन्व इत्यादि. Kinno means always Shankha. What the Shankha is observed by the Agnivesha? Jvaritebhyaha vishajo prayachanti ushnapaniyam. Bhoishtam ushnam na tata shitam. They are not giving the Shita Jala. Asti cha Shita sadhyo api dhatur jvarakaram iti. Jvara is a Shita sadhya. Even though they are giving the Ushna paniyam prayachanti. That is a samshaya. शीत साध्य अपि धातुः पित्तम उष्ण रूपम इत्यर्थः. See here शीत साध्य अपि धातुः पित्तम उष्ण रूपम इत्यर्थः. पित्त always present in the उष्ण. पित्तम उष्ण रूपम इत्यर्थः. पित्त रूप is उष्ण. पित्तस्य रूपः उष्ण. For that one they are giving the paniya, not for the guna rupartha. Paniyam yasmahat sarvajvaritebhyo diyate, but still paniya is indicated in all the jara. Tasmat paniyam eva atra prichanti. So that's why here only it's telling about the paniya should be given in this one jara, all the jara, not only pan. Because of pittam ushna rupa yukta. Shita sadhyam upi dhatu. That one. One more example, like when you are heated the iron rod, na, even if you are pouring the hot water, it will subside its heat. It will subside its heat. Either you are pour the hot water or cold water, but it will subside the heat. Comparing in Shita Jala or Ushna Jala, Shita Jala will make the destructions. There is cracks will be there. If you are pouring hot water, means it will reduce its heat, but not into the cracked. That is the difference. That's why he told Ushna Jala Paniyam. So after listening that question, Samshaya from the Agnivesha, Tam Uvacha Bhagavanatre, Agneya will be proceeding to tell the answer. Jvaritasya Kaya Samuttana Desha Kalan Avisamicha Pachanartham Paniyam Ushnam Prayachanti Vishtaha. So why they are giving the Ushna Paniyam in there? The reason is there.
काल समकाय समुत्थान देश काल अभिसमीक्ष कायान अभिसमीक्ष समुत्थान अभिसमीक्ष देशान अभिसमीक्ष कालान अभिसमीक्ष पाचनार्थम पानीय ये only the giving the pacha ushna jala is for the pachanartham only prayachanti bishaha all the bishaha giving the ushna jala indications only for pachanartham. We are not about the ushna samuttana. It's a pachanartham only. Even though they are observing the kala samuttana desha kala abhisamiksha. Even jaro hi amashaya samuttana. Jaya samuttana itself is an amashaya samuttana. प्रायुः भेषजाने च आमाशय समुत्थानां विकाराणां पाचन वमन अपतर्पण समर्थानि भवन्ति. When the आमाशय समुत्पन्न विकाराः for the general medication, general line of treatment is पाचन वमन अपतर्पण समर्थानि भवन्ति. This is the line of treatment for the आमाशय समुत्पन्न. Simple line of treatment. पाचन वमन अपतर्पण पाचनार्थम च पानीयमुष्णं. First itself is a pachana stage. For that one it told about the पानीयमुष्णं पाचनार्थम च पानीयम् तस्माद् एतत् प्रत्येकः प्रयच्छन्ति विषयो भूयिष्ठम्. So that's why all the doctors are giving the much more about the ushna पानीयम् in the jara only, because it's the adi kala starting time only the jara they are giving the ushna jala पानीय. As there is a line of treatment, it is a पाचन वमन अपतर्पण. Pachana is first, that's why भूयिष्ठं प्रयच्छन्ति विषयो जरितेभ्यः उष्णपानीयम्. तद्धि तेषां पीतम् even though there is a tesham pitam vatam anulomayati. Even though they are taking the ushna paniyam, na, it's also like the vata anulomayati. Vata anulomayati tesham. Agnim cha udirayati. Agnim cha udaryam udirayati. In udara udirayati agnim. It will make the udirana of the agnim, enhancing the agni quality in the udara. Chitram janam gacchati. Jana means it's whatever the ama is there, it will be getting converted into the jana. Chitram janam gacchati. Shleshmanam parishoshayati. Because of the ushna jana, it will make the pachana. Because of the pachana, shleshmanam parishoshayati. It will make the shoshana of the shleshma. Svalpam apincha pitam. When they took little amount of the jalana, Trishna Prashamana Yopakalpati. Little amount, the alpa pramana of the jala, if you took it will make the Trishna Prashamana Yopakalpati. In Trishna Prashamana Kalpana, then it will be indicated alpa. Tatha Yuktamapi, similarly, if it is there, means Chaitanya Atyakta Uchanna Pitte Chure. Etat na atyanta utsana. So this indication is there. It's given in the Krishna Prashamana, Shleshma Parishoshana, even the Agni Udira, Vatana Lomana, and even the Jariti Beha, even for the Amashaya Smutpanna Vikara, for the Pachanartha. Not for the Uttanna Atyartha Sanna Pitte. Etat na atyartha uttanna pitte. Atyartha uttanna pitte na ushna paniyam. Even in the jara also, not in the conditions of the atyartha uttanna pitta condition. Sadaha brahma pralapa atisare vapradeyam. Even for the sadaha, even in the daha also, even in the brahma also, pralapa also, Atisara also should not give the ushna paniyam pradeyam. Ushnena hi daha brahma pralapa atisara bhoyo api vartate. A markable word. Whenever we are having the dehydration or loose motion, patients are taking ushna jala. But it will make the bhoyo api vartate. That's why whoever the loose motion condition patients are taking atisara, if they continuously taking the hot water, definitely they are going to admit in the hospital something. Because it's not that one, Ushnena hi daha brahma pralapa atisara bhuyo abhivartate means progress in the disease is very high level will be there. Shitena cha upashamanti. So these diseases always will get shamana by the shita upacharana. Shita upashamanti. Yata also shita jala shita panya. The Brahma also themselves they told in the Chikitsa only. Shita dugdha should be given in there. So Sharkara Yukta, Shita Dravya Samilitena, the Kshirapana. Even in the Pralapa also Kshira they told it. So even in the Atisara also, Kshira is the Shita, but it's Analomakara. But they told it. Shita Dravya, Shita Jala itself. In Atisara. This indicated because they are the Shita Shitena Upashamanti. Then Chakrapani quoted only one word, so Utsanna Vepitim, the Pravruta Pitta. Utsanna Pitta means what is the Pravruta? Prakarshila, that is Utsanna.
Excuse me,
Bhagavad Gita, yes, madam.
sir. Sorry for the interruption, sir. Sir, is it okay for us to continue the session at 8:30, sir? Actually, there is another session scheduled from 6 o'clock, sir.
Yeah, okay, madam. We can continue further. We can shift to another one. We will take the next one. Tomorrow.
Sorry, sir.
Will we take tomorrow?
Tomorrow, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, okay.
Sorry for the interruption, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. रागादिरोगान् सुल्तान् शक्तान् शेषकाय प्रसुतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहारितान् जगान यो पूर्ववैत्याय नमस्तस्ते. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. We have Dr. Rajesh Sugar sir here.